Hi traders and good day to you. How are you today? Everything is alright? Has it already started? Is it the wind of change? Saturn-Pluto conjunction on January 12th is approaching. Venus passing from Aries to Taurus on January 13th or 330 geocentric. Iranian missiles hit US military base. Is it going to be a ferocious retortion? Would it be Iran influencing Euro-USD sentiment? Would investors sell euro and convert their cash into US dollars? In this video I'll show you some technicalities regarding Gann Square of 9 or 19, showing you on examples where time and price may square. And I've got something special for you. At the end of this video I'll give you a tip how to get something special absolutely free, something that might be very useful in this uncertain period of time. So stay with me to the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the rock and roll. So what do you think? Would Iran affect our trade? Would it have an impact over currency pairs, especially Euro-USD? How is it going to be? You know, usually when there's a conflict somewhere in the world, American investors get their money back and they are bringing it back to the country. So they sell every currency they've got against the US dollar, saying simply they buy US dollars and sell other currencies. So probably euro will be sold by them if any conflict, major ones, bigger ones happens. At the moment it looks as it looks. I don't want to talk about politics too much over here. We've got Tuesday, it's like 9 o'clock a.m. New York time. But in this video I will show you right now how we can try to find the points where the market turns, where the price squares the time. So look here please. We've got the square of 19 here. It's 19 square is 361. At the moment the price of Euro-USD is 111,186. So let's try it. What is it? 111,186. 111,186. Let's square it. We're squaring it. We got 333.44. So we are close to 334 area. I remind you, 334 squared makes 11,556. That's the price, 11,556. So it's 1.11556. So at the moment at the square we are here. Oh, it's rounding up. Let's add some. Here we go. There's the price. So you got 111.55. That's the area where the square root of the price is here. So what I like to say, as I told you in one of my previous videos, these areas where the price crosses the square root comes to the cross, they are pretty important. But not always, for every pair is different. As you can see on this wheel, it might be somewhere over here. This point might be important, not this one. At the moment, Euro-USD stopped at 111.50, roughly. That's the price. So now I will show you what is going to happen if the price rises or falls. So if the price rises, obviously over here we will get 335. Let's say the price rises up to here, or made 22.5 degree from this point, which is somewhere like 337.5. So let's square this value, 337.5. If we square it, look, we got 113.906 somewhere here. 113.106, that's the area somewhere between here and here. So that's the area 337.5. Let's merge the cells. Oh, it's somewhere here. From the other hand, if the price goes up, somewhere here is 22.5 degree between this point and this point. Let's calculate it quickly. Once again, 225 is the extremum, you know. It's 325. 325 squared. We got 105.62, so we can write here 1.0562, and another extremum we've got here, which is 343 squared, and it makes 117,649. Sorry, it's different. 117,649. So this one should go here. 1.0562, and the other one we calculated, it should go, is 17. Did I mess it up? Of course I did. 343. It's over here. It's over here. 1.17 and something. So, okay, it's alright. So here we got 105. It's one extreme. 117,649 is another one. So if the price rallies, probably maximum which can get from here to here, it goes like 6 figures and falls another 7 figures here or 6 figures. So, but it's just theoretically, because we are somewhere around here, which is 329.5. Let me just merge these cells, and let's find the value for here. So we got 329.5. If we square it, we get 108.57. 108.57 is the value. 108.57 is the value where probably market should turn locally. 108.57 or 113.106. So that's the area from this point. If we start from the point that here 334 is a major turning point, 22.5 degree movement up will come to 113.10 and will go down to 108.57. So this is local points, local turning points, whatever. It might be a major one. We'll see what happens. You know, the stop hunters start stop hunting. The movement of 200 pips, it's nothing, you know. Any news from Mr. Trump and the price might skyrocket or might just fall. Niagara Falls, you know. So that's the story. So let's presume at the moment we are here, and let's try to square time and price. I told you before about squaring the time with the Venus periods, movements of Venus. I got ready already. I got ready here, same square, but with the dates. Look, so at the moment we are here, at the moment I just got all those prices. So this is the square root of this price, this is the square root of this price, and so on. So we are here 111.56 at the moment, roughly. But if we want to square time and price with Venus, what it says, I just made over here Venus. I will show you. I got Venus over here. I got this funny Astro 640, which I use at the moment. And we've got the Venus. Yeah, let's start from 329. It might take a little bit shorter if I do it this way. Here we go. 329, we are here. We are here. 329. It is roughly January 13th. Yeah, it is 329. 329.80, so it's a proper 330. 330. Here we go, January 13. This is my local time GMT +1, so you have to calculate for yourself. But 330, Venus 330, we've got on the date of January 13th. So we got angle of Venus, January 13, and the price should be, we square this value, we get 108.90. So if you see that price hit on January 13 to 20, you might presume that there is squaring time, which is Venus period, and price. That's how it works. Same story. A day earlier, we got 108.570. So if the Venus hits that value, which is 329, here we go, It's Monday, January 13th, 12:46 a.m. It is 3 to 9. Yeah, it's just noon my local time. So we got January 13, and what about 30 is also 12 hours later. How is it like? No, it's January. Okay, here we go. 330, January 13th, but it's at 8:46. So that's how we look. That's how we try to forecast the points when the market turns. Locally. I stress it. Locally. So, what it happens? 3:30, January 13. How did I get it on January 12? 3 to 9? 3 to 9, 3 to 9, 3 to 9. Here we go, it's January 12th. Venus, 3 to 9. January 13, 12:14. Hang on a second. January 12th. Alright, it's midnight. Just after midnight on 13th, Venus hit 3 to 9. So if the price at midnight will get 10857, it means that time and price squared. 3 to 9, 3 to 9. The angle with the square of the value. So same story here. 330, 330. We got dates over here. As I presume, 333, 108, 90 might happen on January 16th or not. On January 16th is if we get the price 108.90. Something is wrong here. What is that? Let me check it. Let me check it. 333 squared is 110.889. 110.889. Now it's okay. So we got 110 over here on 333 on 16th January. If you see the price hits that value, it might be a turning point. It might be, I'm saying. Usually what I remarked that Venus, when passes those round numbers, 330, 340, 320, 360, I showed you this in one of my other videos. Okay, now I want to show you something else. Just let's go to the chart and I'll show you what's happening here. We got weekly over here. Look, this is weekly chart. So let me draw the lines. Let's make something like kind of trending lines. That's the one. And the other one is here. So we got another line here, and let's have a look. Let's have a butchers, as the Cockneys say. Let's have a butchers. What value is here? You can check this value here. Look, we are here. If today price goes down to 109.24, the time and price do not square. But if you go to the date of, it's weekly, sorry. But anyway, you got the price 109.29 or 109.3 is the area where the price can hit the line down. Here can make the bottom. On the weekly charts, just I want to stress it, on the weekly chart, it's very important. Trend lines on the weekly charts usually are much stronger in relation to the 4-hour, 1-hour, and so on. 1-hour chart, you know, a strong resistance could be broken anytime if on the weekly chart there is no trend line to stop it, you know, or resistance or support. So as you can see, the value at the moment where the price can get here is roughly 109.24. Let's look over here. 109.24, it's something between here and here. So it's between those two prices. So between 13th and 14th January, the price can hit here. If you see that the market continue to fall, and at the end of whatever next week, around in the middle of next week, hits the price here somewhere. You got 12, so it's 108.32, 108.50 is resistance. So probably if the price comes here on 14th January on angle 331, it might mean that the price and time squared. Again, let's go to the daily chart this time. Here we go, daily chart again. Let's try on the daily. We got another line. We draw it here. It's the same story like that, but I just want to show you. Just do your job at home and you will see it will work. This is another one. Why I don't draw it from here? Because this line, this trend line, has been hit already. Look, the price here, when you get just from the top, I'm just trying to make it roughly. Here we go. The price was respecting the trend line as a resistance, and after a while, when it broke it, the price came back and started rising, as you can see. So, okay, let's get off this sugar. And so we got the trend line here. Yeah. Look here. At the moment, we are here. Where can be the resistance point? 8. We are not interested in 8. We are interested in the dates beginning from 12 January. That's the issue we are talking. So let's go to the 12th January. Here we go. 12 January. So the price on 12, if hits resistance line on 110.547, what is 12? Let's look. 12 January, 108.570. That's the bottom of the price. On the daily chart, it doesn't look like price would hit this area. So let's go further. We've got the next date. If we presume that trend line won't be broken and this trend line as support will be respected, we might expect the price reverse somewhere here. We are talking about the bottoms, yeah? So we are at, let's say, 13th January. 13th January, 110.57. We got the price on 13th. 13th January, we haven't got 110.57. 110.57 we got later on. Let's look later on, 15th, 16th January. 15th or 16th January. Here we go. 15th January, 110.61. And 17, 110.67. We are closer. 110.67 is somewhere here. 16 January. It is pretty possible that the market hits this value here somewhere on 16th. Then the price first hits the support line on a trend line on a daily chart. In the same time, on 16th January, look down here at the date. Here, we got 16th January, and at this date, 16/01/2020, we got 110.65, 110.70, whatever. At that date, 16/1088. That's the bottom. Obviously, it's not precise, Gann Square. It's not exact and precise. So it's roughly around 110.80, 110.70, 110.90, 110.60. So, and in the same time, Venus is on treble 3 here. So price and time square, and still you got another confirmation here. So it could, you could consider this area to get entered into the position as, for example, buying here. So, and what, we don't talk about profit, where would it go? I just want to show you the idea, guys. So on 16th, you get it. You get here. On 17th January, you got 111.56. So basically, the price stays and moved from this area. 56 is somewhere here. On 17th, but on 17th, the price should hit somewhere here, 110.64. So the most possible solution, if the price goes down, that on 16th, if this trend line will be respected, I just want to stress it, if this trend line will be respected, on 16, here the price and time will square somewhere in this area. So, and I just want to remind you, in one of my videos, I told you that 16th of January is a time, is a date when there is I think 5 cycles of Venus of 225 days. So it might be pretty important reversal points, 16th of January. I just want to show you how to make it more precise, how to calculate more precise. Same story here. If we get on, so for me is the only solution that the price comes here on 16th, and probably myself, I would take a position from here. I make a stop loss somewhere lower, so 160, 151. We'll see how the market behaves on a lower time frames. The stop loss should be something like 100 pips, 110 pips, because we got 82 pips from here to this bottom, so around 100 pips should be all right as a stop loss, and take profit. We'll see after I will trade stop loss or move to break even, whatever. So that's the idea, guys. First one. At the moment, we are at the date of, what's the date today? 8th of January. So let's come back to 9th of January. I will show you. Here we go. 9th January. Venus is at 324. So again, Venus is at 324.178, 324.178. Let's square it. So 105.091. What do you think is the price where the market should drop that far? 600 pips? Only if the atomic bomb exploded somewhere, but I don't think so. It's gonna happen. So it's very unlikely to happen it today. It's more, I'll show you if Venus goes further to 10th, but I don't think so. There's no, of course it is possibility. Whatever major happens in the world and the price drops 6 figures or 8 figures, it might happen, but I'm not sure it's gonna happen. It's not very likely. So at the moment, the only solution which I wanted to show you is just that Venus will get 33 points on 16th on January. And it seems like a point over here, 110.88, 110.90. I think it's worth analyzing further. Guys, you just use your brain, use your indicators, it's nothing to do. I'm not encouraging you to take any trading decisions based on what I'm saying here. I just want to help you to understand WD Gann's ideas about square of 9, how it can help you in your trading decisions. That's all what I mean, nothing else. That's it. So here, what have we got? Next thing, what I have to say, the most important thing, the freebie for free. We got bad time. You don't know what's going to happen. The worst going to happen. Even if not, I hope not. I'm a peaceful man. I love peace for everyone. But if anything happens, I've got a free survival grenade, free survival kit, which is here. You just find, let me tell you about it. So it includes 15 essential survival items tightly wrapped up into the small grenade shaped package, that whatever. You will read it. And what contains? Paracord, carabiner, scalpel, alcohol, prepared fishing hooks, fishing float, fishing weights, line, jig, safety pins, needle, wire, aluminium foil, 1 square feet. Ferro rod, tinder. That's it. So for free you can get any other stuff over here. So I just leave the link below this video. Click the link, get over there, and get it if you like it. So that's from me. Adamant, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you. I hope it will help your trade in the future. I wish you all the best. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. Have a nice one. Green peeps, guys. Bye-bye.